Hey guys, I'm your quick tech buddy, and in this video I'll tell you 5 settings that will fix many issues of Google Chrome that are not responding of Google Chrome and it keeps crashing or keeps freezing. So let's start our video after this short break. First, disable extensions. For disabling extensions, we need to open our Google Chrome. Once the Google Chrome is opened, we have to click this menu option and then we have to go to more tools, then click extensions. And now here you can see the extensions which are enabled. And if you like to remove this extension, click this remove button to remove that extension. Second, disable hardware acceleration. For disabling hardware acceleration, we have to open our Google Chrome and then menu, click settings, scroll downwards and now you can see this advanced option. Once you have selected advanced option, go to system. Here you can select system. Once you see this system, here you can see hardware acceleration when available. Turn this off. Third, disable continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. So we have to go in the system in the same ways in which we have gone for hardware acceleration. And once you have opened the system, you have to disable this also. Fourth, turn on safe browsing. For this, we have to open our browser and then go to menu, settings, and then privacy and security. Click privacy and security from here and then we have to click this more option. Once you have selected this more option, turn on safe browsing. And here you can see that I have turned on safe browsing. Fifth, clear browsing data. So clearing browsing data is very important to keep your RAM free of temporary files. So for cleaning browsing data, we have to open our browser and then press Ctrl+H button. And here you can see our search history. Click this clear browsing data button and it will open another tab. And in this tab, you can see this basic and advanced option. So here I have selected basic. And if you select advanced, it will delete all password suggestions and many data. I prefer you to choose basic. And then here you can select the time range. So here I am selecting for last 24 hours. And here you can see that it will delete browsing history, cookies and other site data and cached images and file. And click this clear data button. Once your browsing data is cleared, close your Google Chrome browser and restart your PC. So once you have restarted your PC, all these settings can apply. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get every update from my channel. Thanks for watching.